an elevator of mass 4,800 kg. Mass of the elevator is 4,800 kg. Is supported by a cable which can safely withstand a maximum tension of 60,000 Newton. All right. So when you say tension, okay, when you say tension, tension has to do with is a measurement of a force. Okay. So I have 1,000 Newton. Okay. The maximum upward acceleration we are looking for acceleration the elevator can have is. So this is what we are looking for. Since the elevator is moving upward, the total amount of force the elevator, that will be, that the elevator will carry, okay, or we have to overcome, as case may be. In fact, we possess, right? So the total mass the elevator will possess, for it to, as it moves upward, or for it to move upward, okay, is actually ma plus that of the weight or the force of gravity, okay, which it's moving against, okay, which is what? Mg. So these are the two forces, okay. We have the F1 and F2. The F1 is what? The weight of the elevator. Then the Mg is the force, the gravitational influence or the gravitational force that the elevator has to overcome because it's under gravity. All right. So our force is 60,000 and our mass is 4,800. All right. 4,800 times A plus 4,800 times 10. Remember that they gave us 10 meter per second square in the bracket for us to use as what? As acceleration due to gravity. All right. So I'm going to be making A, so what are the formula? So I'm going to have 4,800 A is equal to, then I have 60,000, then this guy will cross over, then I'm going to be having minus 4,800 because 4,800 times 10 will give me 48,000. So A is equal to 60, give me 12,000 divided by 4,800. So I'm going to be having 2.5 meter per second square. So this is the maximum upward acceleration the elevator will have as it is moving upward.